Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the visual assets ready so the green screen works well. Open TikTok, tap the plus sign, and import or record the background you want visible behind you. This matters because the effect samples that image. Once done, tap Effects, choose Green Screen, and pick the variant that matches your source, photo, video, or live. Make sure your subject and background contrast, so the app can separate them accurately before you record your foreground performance. You now focus on precision. Frame yourself so edges are distinct and avoid clothing that matches the background image. Once the green screen is active, use on-screen controls to crop or reposition the background and adjust opacity. This helps the mask blend and prevents haloing. If the app offers edge smoothing or color tolerance, tweak those to remove speckles. Also, change lighting or exposure so your foreground is brighter than the background. That contrast makes the algorithm. You finish by recording the actual performance, aiming for steady framing and natural movement. Record several takes so you can pick the best. Once recorded, preview full playback and export at the highest quality. TikTok allows to keep the composite crisp. If you see jittering or missing areas, troubleshoot by increasing contrast between subject and background, changing the background image, or moving a light to reduce shadows. Reapply the green screen after each change, and test again to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.